All right, so here we go with a pickups and interactives challenge for week 2. I covered quite a bit of this in the simple inventory video, but we will recover that here just to be safe. So first of all, I have a field of pickups laid out here in front of me. And each of these colors kind of indicates what that pickup's going to be doing. So over here on the purple, these are each going to add one of their respective item to the player's inventory. So one cube, one sphere. These blue ones will add multiples, and I actually made that instance editable so that we can change that on the fly for resistance or rewards. So this front cube here is going to be adding 4, the middle one is adding 5, and the sphere in the back is going to be adding 10 spheres. The green objects are each going to remove one of their item from the inventory, and the gold will remove multiple, and again, those are editable, so 5, 4, and 8 in this case. So let's go ahead and play and see those in action. Let's open up the player inventory before I go anywhere. All right. So if we pick up this first cube here, you can see that pops in. You've got 1 cube. Count is 1. If we pick up another, that count goes up to 5 because we've added 4 to it. Picking up this green cube reduces that by 1, so there we are, down to 4. And this last one would take 5 away, but we only have 4 in the inventory, so it's not actually going to do anything. But this one back here, which is set to take away 4, we'll pick that up. Drops the count to 0, and the item itself is deleted from the inventory. And again, now these aren't going to do anything because their item is not there. So we'll go ahead and pick these up for later. And now we'll come back to the cubes for in a bit. Go back to the spheres here, and likewise pick up 1. We now have 1 sphere. 3 seconds later, that repopulates. We now have 2 spheres. We can pick this up. It'll add 10, so we're at 12. Take away 1, take away 1 cube. We're down to 5 of those and 11 spheres. Down to 3 spheres, no cubes. So that is the pickups working. So let's reset for a second. Take a look at this door in the background. So this is a locked door, and I have it set to require 2 keys actually. So cubes and spheres. So it's going to be looking specifically for those items. And it's going to be looking for specific counts. So 8 cubes, 13 spheres. So if we go back into play here, I will just show first of all that that door is actually locked. So yes, we cannot walk through that. Let's open up our inventory again. If we pick up 1 cube and 1 sphere, we have the required items now, but we don't have the quantity, so that's still not going to open. Let's say we pick up the number of spheres we need. There we go. We still only have 1 of the 2 required keys. So let's pick up our necessary cubes, which will be that and that, and -2 will get us down to 8. So you can use this to sort of create a bit of a math problem for opening the door. We now have 8 cubes and 13 spheres and can walk right through. So that door unlocks and we're good to go. So that should wrap it up for week 2. Looking forward to week 3. Thanks.